Archimedes of Syracuse started out with a circle with the diameter value of 2 and put a 6-sided polygon inside of it. And whenever you do that, the legs are equal to the radius, which in this case is 1. He would add up the perimeter, which is 6, and then divide it by 2 to get a ratio for the half circumference to go with the radius. He would double the sides, add up the perimeter, and divide it by 2 over and over again, exhausting this formula until these 2 points were so close together they were on top of one another. So the ratio for the perimeter would stop and just create a long decimal every time you did it. Well, whenever he did it, he had to do it the hard way, figuring out how long each leg was every time he doubled the sides, because it isn't just cut in half each time. What we can do is use sine. Sine is the height of the circle at that degree for the 1-inch diameter circle. We're in a 1-inch radius circle, so we'll have to multiply that answer by 2 to get the full circle height. So whenever you type in sine 30, you'll see that it equals 0.5, a half. We need the whole circle height, 1, so we multiply it by 2, then we'll multiply it by 6 for the number of sides, and then divide by 2 to get 3 for a ratio of half circumference for the radius. When you double the sides to 12, do you see how the leg runs through the 30-degree portion and cuts off 60 degrees of the circumference? It'll now run through the 15-degree portion of the circle and cut off 30 degrees of the circumference. And then when it doubles again, it'll go through the 7.5-degree portion. And every time, the degree portion of circle will be cut in half for the sine that you use. So as you double it to 12 sides, it's sine 15 times 2 times 12 divided by 2. You'll see you get 3.10582. Whenever you quadruple the sides to 96 sides, you finally get a ratio that'll come out to 3.14103. And the sign used for that is 1.875. You'll get 2 digits right. When you do 3,072 sides with this sine degree, you'll get 6 digits of pi. But what Archimedes of Syracuse didn't know is that wisdom belongs to God, and there's a thing called geodesics, where a curve is shorter